Are you looking to cancel your Takealot order but not sure how? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I will walk you through the steps to cancel your order hassle-free. If you have not paid yet, good news, if you have not completed the payment, canceling your order is super easy. Simply go to your orders page, select the order you want to cancel, click on the cancel order button, and that is it. Your order will be cancelled immediately. If you have already made the payment, follow these steps. Log into your Takealot account. Go to My Accounts and Orders. Find the more order you want to cancel and click Cancel. Fill out the request cancellation form. Now, here's what happens next. If your item is in stock, it's already being processed. See or cancellation request may take up to 4 working days. If your term or item is out of stock or not yet processed, the cancellation will be handled within 48 hours by a customer service agent. Either way, you will receive a confirmation email with details about your refund or credit. You can't cancel individual items if your order has already been packed. Delivery fees and Takealot more benefits won't be refunded if the order is in progress. What if you can find the cancel button? This means your order might not be eligible for cancellation. Most likely it's already with the delivery drive, but you still have options. Accept the delivery, keep the package unopened, log a return request via Takealot return process. So still need help, you can always contact Takealot's customer service team for assistance. And that is it. Now you know exactly how to cancel your Takealot order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.